Sexual orientation refers to an enduring pattern of emotional, romantic, and/or sexual attractions to men, women, or both sexes. Basically, it is what you call when a person is attracted with the same or opposite sexes. Heterosexual. It is what you call a person that is attracted with a member of the opposite sex. Male is attracted to female and vice versa. Another one is called homosexual. It is what you call a person that is attracted with a member of the same sex. Male is attracted to male and female is attracted to female. And lastly, bisexual. It is what you call a person that is attracted with both members of the sexes. The biggest debate regarding sexual orientation is its cause. Two schools of thought that until now has not been concluded yet. Nature versus nurture.
Nature would mean genetics, biology. You're born with it. Everybody is born with a body. Everybody is born with genes. And there are researches that suggest that being homosexual, gay, lesbian is genetic.
This, for me, is I think the basic biological factors that might influence the identity of a certain person, no? Like biological, it could be genetic. Some would say there are hormonal influences, which is of course your male-female hormone, something like that.
As psychologists and counselors, we still base it on the interplay of nature and nurture. So, but there are also biological bases for being or leaning towards a particular sexual orientation. There has been established links that it can be genetic.
That is one aspect, no? But of course, we cannot rely on just genetics. We cannot also rely on just hormonal factors. A lot of other influences.
In terms of nurture, the theories that would apply to that is the theories of socialization and modeling. No? Modeling, for example, when you are growing up, you are exposed to a variety of role models like our parents, our relatives, or some celebrities.
These are the environmental factors that come into play, like the environment that the person grew up, peers, the person's family history, those people surrounding him, kung sino-sino yung mga kasama niya talaga, and of course, there's also being children raised by single parents, yung mga ganun, without mom or without dad. So, that's the other side of the nurture aspect.
Kaya mo tinanggap na bakla? Tinanggap ko after high school. Medyo mahirap ang environment, lalo na kapag Catholic highly Catholic ang environment mo. Mahirap tanggapin sa sarili na bakla ka. So, dumating din sa point na akala ko identity crisis. Kasi yun ang nilagay ng guidance counselor, ng advisor ko sa parang recommendation letter. So, saan school ako nag-apply, may identity crisis ako. Ayaw, hindi ko pa siya nabigyan. So, maybe identity crisis siya. Pag tinanong na, is being LGBT a choice? No. Coming out is. So, yung choice namin personally is to come out and eventually accept ourselves. No? Tanggapin yung sarili namin. Pero the rest of it, hindi mo na siya masasagot.
The main cause has not yet been unraveled by experts, though nature and nurture is always involved in creating the sexual beings that people become. So what do you think? Is it nature or nurture? Learn more about the topic. Visit www.thenatureversusnurture.com.